What do it?
He likes your ring.
Just press back, just patch.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where
Let's go to Banning.
At the traffic lights, use the right lane to turn onto Trilogy Road.
Yeah, we know. We saw Banning already. Now we're in Banning, guys. We are looking for a doormat. Doormat.
Will the dog eat it? I don't know.
I'm not sure the dog will eat it or not. We just try to find something, but the dog keep eating, or I don't know, guys. Just looking. So this is Banning. Oh, that is Brandon. That is not Banning. Is that Banning?
Where?
No, that's Brandon. A doormat. Let's find one. I show you. I don't think it's going to bite that. He probably just scratch them, but not going to bite it, I guess.
How about we get two?
Where you want to put another one?
Back door.
Yeah. Or you need a trolley?
Can you carry this, please?
No. Maybe you can get a trolley. So guys, they have a lot of variant doormat over here. As you can see, it's really big place. You can find a lot of variant things here. Oh my god! Will it squeeze the shoes?
Yeah. Not as well as this.
Yeah. Where you want to put this one actually?
Back door.
That one's back door, that one is front door. Okay.
Which mat is for?
Back door and front door. We found the doormat already now. And he's changed his mind again, guys. I'm not sure what he wants. Let's just stand in the middle. Because he tempted to work here and there like 100 times.
We'll just get to it then.
Sure, sayang.
Dog doesn't like eating rubber thongs. Do you think it will think this is a rubber thong? Let's get one and see
That
how it
is
goes.
why I was preferring this one, because it's a little bit sharp, and when he tried to put inside his mouth, it probably hurt. It's a little bit sharp, sayang, so it might want to eat this. I know.
Two of them.
They are similar, it's just the design are different. That is $15. That is $20. And that is $10. Yeah, it's sharp. I don't think they're going to chew that
Let's see.
because it's sharp.
That one first.
That is $27.
Okay, let's go.
Talking about the birth cage. Earlier he's talking about the racing car. So let's walk around, guys. I'm not sure what I want to get from here. We'll see. The boot? No, I don't need a boot. That is the safety jacket there. Blah 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 blah. I like this shop, guys. Really like it.
A few moments later.
Quaker parrot.
Oh, that's cute.
So he's just a baby. He's had a bit of a bath.
I see.
So, what's his feathers up?
I
Loves
see.
it. This is what I wanted my yellow bird to do.
Can I hold them, sayang?
Okay, turn it out. Flat hand. And just lift up. There we go.
Take a video of me, and then
Lightly. No.
no.
Just up.
I want to do like that.
Yes. Don't brush there.
No, I don't.
You brush along the
I just
side of
try
the
to
feathers.
start put it on there.
Just like that.
Oh no, it's just because I'm numb.
Ah, that's true.
No. So, no.
If I step away, it's
Just-
fine.
Just
I know.
not with the feathers, not like a cat. Yeah, just like that.
Okay, the video, sayang. Sayang, what happened to it?
He likes your ring.
Just press back, just patch like you would puppy dog. That's it. That's it.
Oh. Now
Very
where you
nice.
going?
Yes, it does.
Oh, you
Are
like
they-
me, do you?
Do you have earrings?
Sorry?
Do you have earrings?
No.
Probably good.
Or you might go to the ring.
That's how you pat it. Can you see he fluffs all his feathers up?
I can't see.
Okay.
I know it's there. Hi, do you like me? You want to come home with me?
Same way. But that's because I hand raise.
I was about to ask you that because that does make a difference. Then have absolute trust.
Cute.
And they're very quiet. They want for nothing. Whistling to teach them to talk. So you break your whistles to teach syllables. So you teach a parrot the same way.
Good
you
morning.
would the same way you would a child in teaching just lovely people, birds.
Yes. Once they're tamed, they're very, very good.
Yeah.
I struggle to see what you really